Okay, people, this is Marcus Guest with Keller Williams Realty. And if you're in the process of buying a home in today's market, choosing a move-in ready home really matters. So if this is your first time tuning in, feel free to hit the like, follow, or subscribe button for more helpful tips and information, and also ways that can help you save a lot of money. So what exactly do I mean by a move-in ready home? A move-in ready home is a home that you can move in almost immediately. There's no major repairs and no costly renovation delays. This is huge for first-time home buyers. The bottom line is repairs cost money, and they add stress before and after closing. So if you're buying a house in Georgia, a move-in ready home helps reduce this stress. Let's look at it this way. Let's say you're selling a car and you've done some work to the car and you feel like the car is worth $10,000. Well, scenario one, someone comes along and says, hey, I'll buy the car, but you would have to put a set of new tires on it. Tires cost $1,000. Well, if I put the new tires on the car as the seller, I'm not going to make $10,000. I'm actually going to make $9,000. That would be considered acceptable. And in my opinion, that would be a move-in ready situation. So let's look at scenario two. You have the same car, same price for $10,000, but the potential buyer wants not only the tires replaced, they want a brand new paint job, they want the brakes reworked, they want some interior work done, and also replace the headlight and tail light assembly. Now your repairs have gone from $1,000 to $3,000. So instead of the seller receiving $10,000 for the car, he would only be receiving $7,000 for the car. This could result in difficult negotiations, and in my opinion, this would not be a move-in ready situation. Issues like HVAC, roofing, plumbing are pretty much already taken care of. So lenders prefer homes that are ready to move in. This could also make the process smoother with your lender. So if you're in the process of buying a home right now, my advice would be this. Find a home with minimal repairs needed. This will save you time, this will save you money, and it also keep the closing on schedule.